can tell you multiple stories of engineering students coming to take my directing class and then loving it so much that they end up taking filmmaking.
I would have never thought I would have been right here right now.
It's really inspiring for me because I'm that kid.
I'm just very excited for that moment where I'm like, all the work was worth it.
Everybody I teach, everybody I know has ideas and they don't even know it.
Oh, hi, my name is Rosalind. I go by Rosie. A little bit about my story is I grew up in a small town called Tracy, California. Everyone there is very into mathematics, nursing, accounting.
When I was an undergrad, I studied engineering. I studied for a long time. Then I moved into the arts, but it took me a long time to realize that it was a viable path.
I was watching the Marvel's Avenger behind the scenes documentaries, and then I remember thinking, I want to be behind that camera. And so I decided to switch my major from nursing into filmmaking, and I ended up eventually here at ASU studying filmmaking.
Coming from, an hour outside Philadelphia, I was able to go to ASU despite not fully being immersed into film growing up.
This program is exceptional in that it is available to almost anybody who has an interest, a passion, a desire to find out whether they belong in the business.
I chose this program because Los Angeles is kind of the mecca for film.
In Los Angeles, we do have access to companies that are here. We have access to people that are here. We have access to industry that is here.
The city of LA is where the studios are. That's where the creative spark is. That's where so much is alive.
As a school, we open up those opportunities to students who don't usually have access to that.
If you have a chance to be next to that, use it.
What I really enjoy here at ASU is that the professors really take the time to know you, and every bit of effort you put in, they see it, and they really stay connected with you, and they really care. And so that's why I chose ASU.
Throughout all of film history, people grouped together and pulled themselves up, and that still continues today. And I think at ASU, because we're so inclusive, it provides a lot of unique support for each student to all pull each other up.
The inclusivity is extraordinary.
The most interesting students are those students who are like, can I really do that? Is that really possible? Like, is it really a thing I could do?
Word is going to get out that not only are we good at what we do in terms of teaching here, but that our students are all that too.